Hello all. As usual, every February and March we will be coming up with Anthropology online batch. This time also we are coming up with online batch. So there are frequently asked questions with respect to our batch. And in this session, I am going to discuss all those frequently asked questions. So join us in our new Anthropology online batch. The first question is whether the course is free. See, nothing should be provided free. Why? Because if it is provided free, then the quality will be hampered. And for the sake of quality course, compulsory we need to have some value for it. So this anthropology is going to have the value, but the value is affordable value, which is very, very less when compared to the market. So that is the reason we are charging minimal amount. This is the first question. And the second question, sir, what is the duration of the time? The duration of the time is 4 months. In 4 months, each and every topic in the syllabus will be covered. Each and every topic in anthropology UPSC syllabus will be covered without any pending topic. That I can assure you. And sir, what is the validity of the course? The validity of the course is 1 year. 1 year recorded videos will be provided, unhampered. So 1 year, number of times. How many times you want to watch, you can watch. So there is no limitation, so you are going to enjoy 1 year of validity for our courses. Sir, what about the doubt clearing session? Yes, you are going to have live doubt clearing session, and the live doubt clearing session will be a live interactive session. Sir, whether daily answer writing practice is there? Yes, daily answer writing practice is there. Every day I will be giving the question and you have to write the answer and you have to post in the forum. We had created one forum since last 5 to 6 years, and in that forum where the seniors will be there, present students will be there, I will be there. So you have to write and you have to post. Not only you, my all previous students also will be writing the daily answers. So you can write and you can post there, and I will be evaluating those answers. Sir, what about test series? 0 rupees per test series. Test series is free with the course. 12 inbuilt tests will be there. 10 will be sectional tests and 2 will be comprehensive tests, and 12 tests will be provided with the same package. Sir, then what about the materials content, sir? Yes, I am going to give you hard copy materials. 2 textbooks will be provided, and with that value added content for every unit. With that, every unit PDF notes will be provided, and for the 12 tests, model answers will be provided. Up to 500 model answers you will be getting. Not only that, 300 value added content, current affair related case studies you will be getting. So those course studies, if you use in your answers, you will be getting marks. So our target is you have to score more than 340 marks. So for that, our content, our classes will be very much helpful to you. There is a question how the course will be there. The course is self-paced course, means you can watch n number of times. It is a recorded videos. For any doubts, I am there. Why? Because we have a support system 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Any doubts, my number will be provided to you. Anytime you can call. If I am busy, you will be getting call back from me. That's for sure. That is the culture which we are maintaining in our institution. Not only that, the recorded videos, as I told you earlier, will be provided for 1 year validity. Self-paced means here you can use according to your wish. Yes, frequently one question is asked from student community, whether we have to prepare and come to your class? Absolutely no. Why? Because my classes will be from very, very basics, foundation to advanced. So from basics to advanced and current affairs, contemporary topics, everything will be covered. So no need to have any homework or any assignments. These are the 2 books which we are going to provide from our institution. This is for paper 1 and this is for paper 2. This book have value addition content as well, with flowcharts, lot of diagrams, mind maps, so that you can recollect, you can remember, you can reproduce easily. Another question. Sir, already I took coaching elsewhere. I did my self-preparation. Whether your course is going to helping me? Answer is again yes. Why? This is current affair, contemporary, easy made class notes and class material and classroom teaching. So if you are already a senior, this will be helping you as a revision. and new content, new information you will be getting in this particular course. So if you are a senior, if you are a self-studied person also, this is going to be an value addition course, and 100% it is going to give some value to your subject. And the big question is, why Vishnu IAS Academy? The answer is only one. Vishnu IAS Academy got very good ranks, that too classroom students. And more than the ranks, you can get reviews from our previous students, very strong, very confidently. I can tell that yes, you can talk to any of our senior students or our earlier students and get reviews from them. We got the best reviews, we got the best feedback from our students. The same culture we are going to continue in our new batches also. Lot of students asked me, sir, what is your credibility? My answer to them is, I went to UPSC interview 3 times. And in the 3 times interview, I got very good marks in anthropology. Not only that, from 12 years, I am teaching anthropology as optional. And nearly 70 to 80 batches I completed. A full-fledged mentorship is provided by me for this 70 to 80 batches. Not only that, I am full-fledged faculty, only teaching my students nowhere else in India, only dedicated to Vishnu IAS Academy. And we got ranks, we got very good reviews, and not only that, any issue or any problem or any doubt, I am at service for my students. That I can tell you daringly, and that you can also get from our previous students as well. What is unique point at your place, sir? Answer is, our unique point at our academy is not only mentorship, we also provide a safe, secure classes as well as a relationship we will be maintaining, like a Guru-Shishya relationship. We will be continuing the parampara of Guru-Shishya parampara with mentorship. Advanced 21st century mentorship will be provided with the traditional of parampara of Guru-Shishya will be continuing. This we can assure. Don't wait, my dear friends and students. So come join us. Call us our number 9400 939 and fill the Google form. We people will be calling you. This is a golden opportunity to ace the civil services with anthropology optional at Vishnu IAS Academy. Jai Hind.
This opportunity, Vishnu Sir's Academy is doing really well. He has helped me a lot in my preparation days. A fantastic individual. Trust me when I say this, I'm not saying this just because I'm obligated to say this, but I'm very rarely would you come across somebody like him who puts in so much of effort to ensure that his students clear the exam. That level of commitment is very rare to come by. Especially there is a general myth that if you have to clear the exam, you have to go to Delhi, which is absolutely not true. Because even for a person like me, I cleared from Kerala. I did not go to Delhi at all. So what I'm trying to say is that when you have a mentor, the first, how should I put it? There is always a luck factor in this examination, right? There is a luck factor in life itself. So what I'm trying to say is that in your preparation strategy, you people are really privileged that you've got somebody like Vishnu sir to help you out. Because the kind of commitment that he puts in, trust me, I don't think you can even match your commitment with his level of commitment even when you're preparing. So that is a big boost to your race into the UPSC at this very beginning itself. So all the very, very best for that. Now coming back, if there are no more questions, we've almost completed 1 hour. What all things to avoid, Kumar? What all things to avoid? I don't think that's very. How should I say that? Just avoid, making a large group. Avoid making a large group. Instead, make smaller groups and listen to your mentors. Always remember, don't assume that you know everything. For instance, like I said, Vishnu sir is there. Whatever he tells you, trust me, follow that path. You will clear the examination. So provided you have the willingness to listen to what your mentor is telling you, your teacher is telling you, if you give him that respect, you will get the respect back from the universe by being able to clear the examination. So that is the most important thing. Follow your mentor's words very carefully. He has a lot of experience in this field. That in itself will help you avoid all those mistakes that most aspirants do, so that you have a clear path. and you can clear the examination in your first attempt itself. Okay, so you have to follow Vishnu sir's notes. Just speak to him, and he's the best guide out there. Trust me when I say this. Like I said, the most important aspect is commitment. You will not find a mentor, a teacher who's as committed as Vishnu sir is. The moment you realize that, half the job is done. Okay, so the best books and all, he will tell you. His notes are there. You just have to read through his notes properly, attempt his test series regularly, and you'll definitely score well.
Production. I am very lucky to have your guidance during my preparation. That made me score very good marks in general studies as well as anthropology, because personality test, again, as no one can be sure of that day what your luck is and what panel you are going to get. So what is in our hand is the general studies and optional part. So good.
Sir, it was very good, sir, actually, because it was the attempt where I have realized the importance of test series and the importance of structuring answers and integrating the content and bringing coherence in the answers. So the way you have dealt with the case studies in each topic, and I think we have completed almost each and every topic. Yes. We haven't left any topic in the syllabus, especially the tribal part and the genetics part. So, and the way we have revised those tests, I mean, it felt like almost the test would be enough to do the revision for the syllabus. When I actually did that, yes. So I think it helped a lot, sir.
Thank you.
I chose Vishnu sir because sir maintains and gives preference to the serious aspirants. So when I approached Vishnu sir, he gave special emphasis to me. So on a priority basis, when I write and submit the answers, on a priority basis, sir used to evaluate my answers. Then sir could able to rectify my faults, and sir could suggest what else I can do in a much better manner in order to improve my score in the anthropology optional. So these things I may not get from an anthropology sir, where the students crowd and sir, where that particular sir may not dedicate his valuable time for me to identify my faults and rectify my mistakes. So I chose Vishnu sir for these things.
Of months, I have taken one mains test series and I have rigorously worked on it. And for GS1, Vishnu sir has given his support. All the issues related to tribals, related to any new legislations, senior citizens and children, communalism, so all the topics related to Indian society, sir used to take classes and give questions for us also. He used to evaluate them, he used to give time, and he used to ask us to put all our thoughts on paper, and we used to compare with the ideal answer which he used to set.
Hello all, my name is Sridhu SS. I had secured all India rank 163 in this year's UPSC Civil Services examination, and this was my first attempt. I have chosen anthropology as my optional subject, and I was under the guidance of Vishnu sir. I was his June anthropology online class batch, and I had joined the main stress series over there, and Vishnu sir was always there to extend his wholehearted support for my preparation, as well as to support me to instill confidence, not just in the optional subject but also in the other GS papers as well. He always extended his sincere support at any time. We were given the freedom to call him at any time and raise our concerns to him. I really want to extend my gratitude from the bottom of my heart to Vishnu sir. I don't know how to literally express that, because it's something beyond that words can express. Also, I need to mention about our Vikram sir as well. He was just like a buddy, and I felt that when he called, when he and Vishnu sir called me immediately after the results was announced. They were more excited than me. That excitement from my sirs itself made me very happy to the extent that I might not express it. So I wish to use this opportunity to extend my gratitude to the whole Vishnu IAS team. I wish them a great time ahead, and I am pretty sure that the academy can give the feathers and flying colors to aspirations of many future aspirants. Thank you, Vishnu IAS Academy. Thank you, Vishnu Vardhan sir. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Reena Pradhan, AIR 194, Civil Service Examination 2020. I want to thank Vishnu sir for his guidance in anthropology, and not only in anthropology but also he has guided me in the interview, and I am very much thankful to sir, and he is a wonderful teacher, and he just makes the concept of anthropology very much easy for us to understand, and he's a great human being. He's a very loving, caring person, and I can't explain my gratitude towards sir in mere words. And finally I just want to tell you from my bottom of heart that sir, I'm really thankful to you and I'm really obliged. Thank you.